Too much.
I was barely pushing it.
Pretty solid.
Hey, welcome to STEVEplusplus. Today I'm going to work on something that's going to help me survive this snowstorm that's passing through Utah right now. Now, I have been wanting to do this for a while, and so I picked up this cheap sled here, and I'm going to take the Dementor. If you haven't seen the Dementor video, go check it out. It was a lot of fun, but it's time to repurpose the parts on this, combine it with this sled, and create an awesome RC creation for skipping across the snow. I may also take it to a frozen lake, and it should float if I do it right. I've been working on some other large projects and I've had some setbacks because it's been so snowy and rainy here. So it's time to just do something for fun in the snow. Let's not waste any more time. Let's start building so we can get out there and enjoy some of this fresh powder that's falling right now. First, let's reclaim some of the parts from the Dementor. Yes. Oh, I guess it's time to take off the tag. Oh, good save. We're back from the pond from driving our little airboat here, and if it looked like a lot of fun, that's because it was. This thing was a blast to drive. And I have some thoughts from driving it. So as you saw, it spun out really well because it has a completely flat bottom, and it steers by just tilting the motors here. I stole these mechanisms from my Dementor. It steered really well, almost too well, and was quite twitchy on the controls. So on my remote, I set the exponential controls. Now, if you are interested in building something like this yourself, it's completely doable. Little RC airboats like this are a lot of fun and they're super easy to make. Now, I used 2 motors and 2 servos, but really you only need 1. With just 1 motor, it actually works perfectly well as well, especially in these smaller form factors. Now, the great thing about these little RC airboats, this was the first one I built, and you can see I just used some foam and some Coroplast that you can buy at the local hardware store. This is all pretty cheap. Altogether, these things cost maybe like $50. So it's a great entry into a fun RC hobby. Now, if you're into RC airplanes, you might already have a bunch of spare parts lying around, and you could probably throw one of these together in a matter of a couple of hours. If you're interested in building something like I did though, I will throw a link in the description below to my website with a full list of material and instructions on how to build this. If you like this video, throw me some love, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. That's the best way to show support for this content that I create, and I hope to see you next time on STEVEplusplus. See you later.